So time will be granted.
You want some time?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard Kikrongoli, learned counsel for the petition. On request made by Mr. Im Tim Song, learned additional AG. List the matter after
After 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Lordship, with my presence can kindly be reflected. I am
Mr.
available for
Cindy
respondents.
Younger, learned counsel, appears for the respond number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2.
May it please, my lord. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item 39, Lordship. Here, in a similar manner, this honorable court has made some queries, Lordship, before the state government. And the matter is to be listed on 25th of July, 2024, Lordship.
So you want this matter to come up on 25th?
Lordship, after 25th, Lordship.
On request made by Mr. Cindy Younger, learned counsel for petitioner. List the matter on
Perhaps sometime in the month of August, Lordship.
no, this is coming out 25/7.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Fifth August.
I am obliged.
For admission, item number 1.
Different man.
Lordship.
Take down. List this case before any other bench without me. Put my name.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 4.
Bless your lordship. Lordship, I am representing the state here. I
One
pray
minute,
for
this also separate bench. TB Jamir is there? Item 4, list this case before any other bench without me. Put my name.
obliged.
For admission, item number 8.
Lordship, the pleadings are complete in this. I have just received a reply in the file.
On 14th.
I filed it on 14th. I received it. Some time will be given and list the matter for admission hearing in 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, heard Mr.
Singlo.
Kisinglo, him,
Yes, Lord.
learned counsel for petitioner, Mr. M. Longcomer, learned government advocate submits that he has just received the affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner and prays for some time to go through the same stuff. Prayers allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 9.
Counter not filed. Livica.
Lordship, the time may be granted to the state to file its counter affidavit, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. Hasin Kim, him, learned counsel for the petitioner on request made on behalf of MS Livica. 3 weeks further time is allowed to file counter affidavit. List after 3 weeks.
I'm obliged.
For admission, item numbers 14 and 15.
Over 13.
Wait, please, my lord. My lord, this matter is about regularization of road trash employees. And the petitioner herein in item number 14 has already served for 34 years and 10 months and is on the verge of retirement next month, lordship. And the state has not yet filed their affidavit.
Who's
So,
the
my lord,
counsel?
The petitioner is clearly covered by the 2015 office memorandum, lordship.
That the 35 years
Yes, Lordship.
service,
30 years, lordship.
30 years.
Yes.
Yes, who appears?
Lordship, I'm informed that it's being handled by Tiba, your lordship.
Where is he?
Lordship, I think he's at court number 2.
Mm.
If this matter can be taken up after the listed matters, lordship.
After some time, let's see what happens. No, he is coming. Yes, Chiba.
My lord, here I'm yet to receive instruction. However,
So
my lord,
petitioner is retiring next month.
yes, my
lordship.
lord, so since,
I'll give you a week's time.
my lord, my submission is for the interest of justice. So since the petitioner has completed 30 years, so on the basis of Office Memorandum 17/3/2025, direction may be issued, my lord.
Where's the OM?
My lord, the office memorandum is at page 16, lordship.
16.
Yes, next year D.
You're enjoying scale pay or fixed pay?
Scale pay, lordship.
District level verification committee, they've considered your matter?
Lordship, I have no instruction as such, lordship.
Is this in operation still?
Yes, my lord.
Take note. But Mr.
To show Longkumar, lordship.
Tushi or Longkomal and the
Yes,
counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. E. Tipapom, the government advocate. Appearing for the
Wonderful.
all the respondents. Stop. Where's the initial appointment order?
Page 11, lordship, next year A.
Your name,
Penny, lordship.
serial number.
Cell number 1, lordship.
The petitioner was appointed as a work charge skilled labor on a fixed pay of rupees 540 per month by an office order dated, what date is this?
Lordship, the type copies on page 12, lordship. 18/7/89.
18th July 1989,
89, lordship.
issued by the executive engineer, PWD division, Okha, Nagaland, and was attached to the executive engineer within bracket PHE division, Okha. Stop. Thereafter, by another office order, dated 15 January 2020, the petitioner, the service of the petitioner was upgraded to work charge Khalasi in the scale pay of rupees 3,000-15,200 per month. The said order was issued by the additional chief secretary additional chief
Chief
engineer,
engineer.
comma, office of the chief engineer, PHET, Nagaland. Coin. Stop. The case of the petitioner is that she has been serving for the last how many years?
34 years and 10 months, Lordship.
34 years and 10 months as a work charge khalasi
Yes, Lordship.
on fixed pay. Stop. It is on and hence the regularization of this has been serving with the firm for 34 years, 10 months. Stop. The further case of the petitioner is that the Personnel and Administrative Reforms Department, within bracket Administrative Reforms Branch, Governor of Nagaland, has issued an office memorandum dated 17th March 2015, providing for a scheme for regularization and observation of work charge and casual employees and revision of pay oblique wages. Stop. In the said office memorandum dated 17th March 2015, it is provided that all existing work charged and casual employees of various departments who are enjoying scale pay and who have completed 30 years or more continuous service as on 1/1/2015 will be regularized by conversion of their post into regular ones personal to them and subject to fulfillment of conditions as indicated in the said OA. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as the petitioner has completed 34 years and 10 months as work charge khalasi on regular scale of pay, the case of the petitioner should be regularized in terms of the office memorandum dated
17 March 2015.
17 March 2015. Stop. It is also submitted that the petitioner will be retiring in the month of
July 30.
July 2024. And therefore, it is imperative on the part of the state respondents to consider the case of the petitioner for regularization in terms of the office memorandum dated 17th March 2015. Stop. Para. No counter affidavit has been filed by the state respondents. Stop. However, Mr. A.T. Papu, learned government advocate, submits that as the state respondents has issued the office memorandum dated 17 March 2015, wherein certain conditions has been given for regularization of the services of work charge and casual employees of various departments who are enjoying scale pay, the matter may be remanded to the concerned authorities for consideration of the case of the petitioner in terms of the office memorandum dated 17th March 2015. Stop. Para. Recording the statement made by the learned government advocate, this writ petition is disposed of. Directing the respondents,
3, Lordship.
3,
Yes, Lordship.
2 and 3,
2 and 3, Lordship.
or 2, 3 and
Yes.
4.
2 and 3, Lordship.
Two and three.
Directing the respondents to 2 and 3 to consider the case of the petitioner for regularization of her service in terms of the office memorandum dated 17th March 2015. Stop. As the petitioner is retiring in the month of July 2024, the respondents 2 and 3 are expected to consider the case of the petitioner prior to her retirement. Stop. Let such exercise be done and completed within a period of
3 months, my lord.
Why 3 months? She's retiring
Yes,
next
yes.
month.
My lord, for regularization,
4 weeks.
Certain procedure has to be followed. my
4
lord.
weeks. Within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of a copy of the order of this court with the above observations and directions, with petition is disposed.
Lordship, item
Similar
number-
order for item number
Yes,
18.
item number 15.
Item
15, Lordship, next item.
same.
Here, the petitioner has worked for 32 years and 4 months, Lordship. Same.
Item 15. Where's the appointment order?
Lordship, first appointment is at page 11, Lordship.
Item 15. You'll have to change. The order is at page 11. As work charge skilled khalasi, huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Fixed pay of rupees 540 issued by the executive engineer PhD division Oka. All right,
Yes, Lordship.
then after the by another office order dated 18 December 1995. Promoted. Petitioner was promoted as work charge skilled level. No.
Skill
Pro-
Kalasi.
promo- To work charge skilled, is it scale Kalasi or skilled?
It should be skill Kalasi in the
Skill
skill. bill.
Kalasi. In the scale pay of rupees 800-1475 per month, huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Issued by the additional chief engineer PhD Nagaland Coin. Then how many years?
32 years and 4 months, Lordship.
32 years, 4 months. Then same thing. You are retiring when?
30th of February 2027.
27.
Yes, Lordship.
Will be retiring in
32, 2027.
32.
Yes, 32, 2027.
February, there's a
Yes.
date of 30.
Or it should be 28. Lordship. In the month of February.
Just say February 2027. Here you say 3 months. Within the period of 3 months. We just do it, I'll do the correction.
Much obliged.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 17.
My pleasure, Lordship. Here the counsel for the government, Lordship, Livika is appearing, and then she's yet to file counter, Your Honor.
Yes.
Lordship, sometime may be granted your lordship to file counter.
Kurt
affidavit.
Supumati, learned counsel for the petition. On request made on behalf of MS.
Livika.
Livika, learned government advocate. How much time?
3 weeks time, my lord.
3 weeks further time is allowed to file contract.
My pleasure.
After 3 weeks. You are praying for skill pay?
Yes, Lordship.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
For admission, item number 19.
Counter.
My lord, in fact, these matters are handled by my colleague Kiangami, your lordship. He's on his leg at court number 2. If
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, the petitioner was suspended in the year 2022.
Mm.
Till now, the state respondent have not filed the charge sheet in the criminal case. And at the same time, the suspension order has not been reviewed till now. So, Lordship, this is a similar principle of law that if the suspension order is not, if the charge sheet is not filed in the criminal case for 3 months, it cannot survive.
Yes.
lordship, I'm not in this matter, your lordship. If this matter can be listed after some time, or if it can be taken up on Thursday.
Wait for some.
Yes, yes.
For admission, item number 20.
Lordship, here in this matter also the states are yet to file counter.
Your Lordship, this matter,
Wakalatnama for respondents 2 and 3.
Confirm, Mr. Lord.
Who has filed the Wakalatnama?
Lordship, Government Advocate, Nabituli, she's appearing for respondent 1 to 5. On the last occasion, she appeared on behalf of the respondents.
No, one Wakalatnama is filed for the PNR department and the
All Lordship.
PHE department. Where's the second file?
Second file.
There's no Wakalatnama. Where's the Wakalat? First file. Okay. Yes, N Muzi, Apila Sanctum.
Respondent 2 and 5.
Okay. But Subhamati Learning Council for the petition. Stop. None appears for the respond number 2 and 3 despite filing Wakalatnama. Stop. On request made on behalf of
AIME.
AIME Learned Council, Learned Government Advocate. Appearing for the respondents 1, 4 and 5.
Yes, Your
How
Lordship.
much time?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time is allowed to file counter affidavit. List up to 3.
Yes, Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 24.
Here also no counter.
My lord, I'm for the state respondents. I
Yes.
pray for 3 weeks.
Are
time
you
for
filing
state-
counter?
No,
Are you filing?
I am filing, your lordship. No objections, lordship.
But Cindy Younger Learned Council for the petition. On request made by Mr. Moim Chin, Learned Senior Governor.
Lordship.
How much time?
3 weeks time.
3
your lord.
weeks time is allowed to file counter. List up to 3 weeks.
God bless you.
For admission at item number 25.
May I bless your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I received this morning the instructions, so kindly grant me 3 weeks of time to file my affidavit. I received this morning.
Okay, heard Cindy Younger Learned Council for the petitioner.
Achungli State,
Mr.
Achungli, Sanctum,
Mr.
Achungli,
Achung. ACH.
Haungli,
You got it. Sanctum.
Lordship.
Learned Government Advocate submits that he has received instructions and prays for 3 weeks time to file contract. Prayers allowed. List up to 3 weeks.
Obliged, lord.
For orders, item number 31. Sorry, 27.
You approve
Yes.
for
For
all the respondents.
no, there are private respondents also. Lordship. Lordship,
There are no private respondents. Okay, there are private respondents. Notice has gone or no?
Yes, Lordship, on the last occasion, the Honorable High Court has directed the respondent 1 to 5 to serve notice on the private respondents to respondent number 2. So we have already served the notice on the private respondents.
Have you filed your
No, I have
affidavit?
not filed. Since all the respondents, they are located in different area, we cannot collect the data. So
Which order? In the IA?
in the area.
Give the IA. None appears for the petitioner.
My lord,
Yes,
yes, my lord, IA 34, my lord,
okay.
by order dated 27/3/2024, my lord.
Did you take the permission? Did you take the permission for video conference?
My lord,
No, no, no. Yes,
my lord,
yes, counsel.
yes, my lord. In terms of order dated, my lord, 27/3/24, my lord,
Hmm.
in IA 34, my lord. That's what my lord is making a query, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. N.K. More
Yes, my lord.
for the petitioner. Mr. Yangawati Learned Citizen submits that in terms of the order dated 27/3/2024 passed by this court in IS Civil 34 of 2024, the respondents
10/2/22, my lord.
Yeah, respondent number 2 has taken steps.
Yes.
Isn't it? Respondent number 2 has taken steps for service of notice on the party respondents 10 to 20, 10 to 22. Stop.
Yes, my lord.
He therefore prays for some time to enable him to file an affidavit to that effect.
My,
How much time do you
my
want?
lord, my lord, may I pray a small prayer, my lord? Yes, my lord, the matter is of 2019, my lord.
Hmm.
So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, may I kindly pray for issuing a rule, my lord. In the meantime, my lord.
Let the affidavit come first. After that, we'll issue. And prays for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit
No.
to that effect. Praise a lot. List after 2 weeks.
Oblige, my lord.
For orders, item number 31.
Please, your lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I have instructions to appear for all the respondents.
You are appearing for
Respondent
all the respondents.
1, 2, and 3, yes. I pray that the kindly grant
You
us,
file your Vaklatnama.
not yet, lordship.
When are you filing?
Lordship, within 2 weeks.
Why 2 weeks? When you received?
We have just received this morning, so we have instructions to appear on the lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr.
Nsukachi, Lordship.
Huh?
Nsukachi, Lordship.
Okay, Nisukachishi, learned counsel for the petition. Mr.
I, Jamil.
I, Jamil, learned counsel, enters appearance on behalf of the respondents, 1 to 3, and prays for 2 weeks' time to file Vaklatnama. Praise allowed, list up to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
For hearing, item number 38.
58. Is,
Maybe so, Lordship. Lordship, here the petitioner is a work charge employee working for over 34 years and 5 months, Your Lordship. He will retire on January, Your Lordship. So as per the 2015 memorandum, he should be given regularization, Lordship, on 2020. However, still till date, Your
You're
Lordship.
getting scale pay.
Yes, Lordship, I'm getting scale pay, Your Lordship.
Where's your order of appointment?
Lordship, at page 12. Initially, it was fixed pay, Your Lordship.
Fixed pay of
Yes.
450.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, at page 13,
Hmm,
his post was upgraded to work charge Kalasi, Your Lordship.
1 minute. Work charge Khalasi,
Yes, Lordship. And he was allowed scale of pay.
scale pay. Thereafter, you are still continuing as Khalasi
Yes, Your Lordship. Still continuing as Kalasi.
in the same establishment.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then where's the affidavit has come?
Yes, Your Lordship. They're filed, Your Lordship.
What are they saying in the affidavit?
They're saying that they are considering, Your Lordship, but the petitioner is serial number 14 now, Lordship.
Hmm.
However, Your Lordship, as per the memorandum, Lordship, the post will be,
They are supposed to maintain a seniority list.
Lordship, Lordship, can we kindly come to the memorandum, Your
That's
Lordship?
what I'm on page
Page
14.
14, Your
Huh.
Lordship. 1, Your Lordship.
Hmm. All existing that I've read.
Their post will be converted to regular ones, personal to them, Your Lordship.
Hmm. Yes.
Lordship, kindly see page 3 of the state conduct.
Where's your counter?
Petitioner,
Yes.
61 of them has already been sent by the answering deponent to the office of the answering deponent. So it is under consideration, Your Lordship. It takes time, Lordship, so it is a matter of regularization.
Okay, take down. Heard MS, Mr.
Yes, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. Moenchin,
Lordship, also, Your Lordship, the petitioner, although he is getting scale of pay, Lordship, the pay is very meager, Lordship, is compared to the regular employees. He should be allowed at least the minimum for the pay scale.
that, have you come up with a formula?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let him get the regularization first.
But at least the minimum of the pay scale, Your Lordship.
Minimum pay
In
scale,
terms-
do you have any policy?
Lordship,
His
in terms of
petitioner is
the,
enjoying the skill, Your Lordship.
That is a different thing, but he's getting somewhere about 1,000.
With
yes,
the,
How
Your
much?
Lordship.
once regularization process is over. everything
Lordship,
will
in
be-
terms of the equal pay for equal work or law, Your Lordship, he's entitled at least the minimum of the pay scale because the duties, everything is the same, Your Lordship. I've said it in my paragraph 10 also, Your Lordship.
Do you have any instructions on that?
No, no instruction for that.
You see, if you have a policy for the enhancement of to get the minimum skill
I
pay.
don't think the government has. it, Your Lordship.
That is, Your Lordship, see after the regularization.
It will be only in
Because
term-
regularization process is on.
The
If you- if the-
regularization process is on. If you want this regularization to be complete,
Yes,
then we can dispose of this matter. But if you are praying for a skill pay.
A minimum of the pay scale.
Minimum pay scale.
Yes, Your Lordship, it's all right.
They've not mentioned anything here, so they'll have to file an affidavit.
that is what.
It's your choice. If you want them to come with some instructions with regard to the minimum skill
Because
pay.
I have stated in my petition, they have filed their affidavit, they have not said anything, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, let the regularization be over and after that. it
Because-
will- Minimum scale up will be taken care of.
Getting at this minimum pay scale is a right, Your Lordship, allowed by the constitution.
Once
Your
your
Lordship.
regularization is done, it will be,
Yeah, it will
it will
definitely.
be enhanced.
Lordship.
It was not only the petitioner, Your Lordship, 61 of them. 61 of them.
Lordship, then Lordship, I have in my prayer, Lordship, the petitioner is, see, in terms of the 2015 memorandum, his regulations should have been considered in 2020, Your Lordship. So if he was considered in 2020, his pay would have increased, Your Lordship. So Lordship, at least from the filing of the writ petition, Lordship, he should be given areas, Your Lordship. From the filing of the writ petition. This honorable court has allowed it in my calendar of decisions, Your Lordship. I have also.
Lordship, I have no instruction to that effect,
It is in my prayer, Lordship.
Get your instructions.
Lordship.
Lordship, errors is, it's a right, Your Lordship.
How many years you've been serving?
34 years and 5 months as of now, Lordship. At least from the date of filing of the petition, he should be given arrears, Your Lordship. At least a regular pay scale arrears, Your Lordship. It will again delay, Your Lordship, because as per the 2015 memorandum, the regularization process has to be done on July 1st and then January, Your Lordship. He's returning on January, so July 1st, Your Lordship. In 2 batches, they do the regularization process, Your Lordship, as per the memorandum.
So, are you ready for disposal of this case? Or you want some instructions on the minimum pay scale and the area salary?
Lordship, once the petitioner is regularized, everything will be taken.
Petitioner is regularized, there's no doubt. What we are saying is that petitioner is due for regularization with effect from 2020,
Yes, Your Lordship.
from the year 2020.
And
So
this court
if-
has,
If the petitioner is regularized,
Lordship, this court has
as
also,
he or she was already due in the year 2020,
Lordship,
he or she is entitled for area salary with effect from 2020.
and Lordship, with regard to errors of pay, it's already covered case, Your Lordship.
without regularization, Lordship, how can?
No,
Yes.
this is a case of contingency services, Your Lordship, not regularized, Your Lordship. So at least from the date of filing the writ petition, Your Lordship, the state respondents has filed an appeal against that order, Lordship, which was upheld by the division bench of the Lordship. I don't have the order right now, but it was upheld by the division bench, Your Lordship. So it's a covered case, Your Lordship.
Yes,
No need for further instructions
Lordship,
also.
let me be amicable or sometime, so that
okay.
I may take instruction.
Thursday?
Yeah, let it be.
3 weeks time, Lordship.
No, Your Lordship. July is just nearby, Lordship.
July.
Yes, Your Lordship.
1 week,
Lordship, 2 weeks time.
2 weeks is. too
Lordship,
long.
let it be on Monday next week. Your
Monday.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship. It's just
First,
instructions, Your
MS
Lordship.
Sister and counsel for the petitioner. On request made by Mr. Mohanchil and the government, senior government advocate. Release the matter again on 24th.
Monday.
24th.
God bless
Make
you.
sure you come with instructions. These are simple matters. There's no point keeping it.
For admission, item number 20.
Lordships, sorry for the indulgence. In item 20, I filed Vakalatnama in the writ appeal. However, they have placed the Vakalatnama in the writ petition, Lordship. The party name are different. It's a writ appeal.
Who took this? Why you take the? Who's in charge of section?
Because it's a different case, Lordship. The Vakalatnama I filed in the writ appeal, which is pending.
Who took the order?
Item number 20.
Who took the order? Yes, I think it's Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa. Read April is also 5.
Yes.
WBC also 5.
No. The writ petition is different. Party name is different, Lordship. Lordship, can you see the party name? Because in the writ appeal is Mialamla and others versus the state. The party name is different, Lordship. Here in item number 20 is Shri, very difficult to pronounce it. Ilhoku and 105 others.
Item 20, you took the order. What did they say? That's all. Okay, then Hurt change the order, huh? Hurt so and so, then counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Peruse the office note dated 15/4/2024, wherein it is indicated that Vakalat Nama has been filed on behalf of respondents 2 and 3. Stop. However, on a perusal of the Vakalat Nama, it is seen that the same has been filed in respect of writ appeal number 5 of 2024 and not in the present matter. Stop. Which section is this? Filing section. The bench section is directed to be more vigilant in future. Stop. Then what did I say after that? Oh. Then say on request made on behalf of MS, so and so, huh? Learned government advocate, appearing for the respondents. 3 weeks time is.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 19.
May I please, my lord? My lordship, if this matter can be kindly listed on Thursday.
TV is still important.
Yes.
Okay, heard Mr. Limapang, learned counsel for petition on request made on behalf of Mr. K. Angami, learned government advocate, list the matter on
Thursday, my lord.
Thursday.
Yes, my lord.
Thursday is what date?
Lordship.
20. 20 June. Okay.
Yes, 20. I'm obliged, my lord. For hearing, item number 40.
Yes.
Yes, may I please, your lordship?
Mm.
Your lordship, here the petitioner is praying for latest ROP, lordship. Latest revision of scale of pay, lordship. Your
You are
lordship,
serving as?
lordship, initially I was appointed on contingency.
Then?
Then thereafter, by white order dated 2011, I was appointed to the post of Bune on ad hoc basis.
Mm.
In the scale of pay, lordship.
Mm.
However, lordship, after the petitioner was appointed on scale,
Mm.
lordship, till date he was given the scale of 1999. Scale pay of 1999. My lord, now he's getting rupees 12,000 per month, lordship, which is in same with the 1999 ROP, lordship. So the petitioner is approaching this honorable court for praying for latest ROP, lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, the petitioner had also approached the concerned department praying for this latest scale of pay.
Mm.
Or, however, it was not considered, lordship, which I've given my representation on 16/3/2022 at page 14, annexure 3, lordship.
Yes.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, due to
Latest ROP is 2017.
yes, lordship. Yes, lordship.
What are the stand of the state respondents?
We are saying that 2017 does not apply to the petitioner, your lordship, because he's on the, I thought, he's not a regular employee. It applies only to regular employee, your lordship. So it's hit by rule 2A and B of the
ROP.
ROP. Yes, your
Let's
lordship.
see. Have you seen this?
Lordship.
We have stated
yes.
in our affidavit also, para 5.
Yes, Lordship, the condition is that it does not extend to the, it extend to the, only to the regular employees. However, Lordship, similar matter has also been disposed by this court, which I've already annexed in my annexure 5 at page 17, Lordship. Similar matter has also been disposed by this court.
Yes. Was the petitioner in this petition a regular employee?
No, Lordship. The petitioner is a talk.
No. In this case, which you are relying, WBC number 354 of 2021.
No, Lordship, he was also appointed on a temporary basis, not a regular employee, Lordship.
Another aspect, your lordship, if on temporary also, whether against sanction, whether there is an existing sanction post, that has to be determined, your lordship.
No, that's why, have you mentioned
Yes.
that the petitioner is not working under a sanction? post?
Yes, your lordship.
Where is
If
it?
your lordship will see at page para 4, your lordship. Para 4 of my affidavit in reply, your lordship. It is on contingency basis only. It's not against sanction post, your lordship.
Where is this ROP of 1993?
ROP 1993, your lordship, I don't have it with me now.
Get a copy.
Lordship.
Here you said the grade four appointed on ad hoc basis,
Lordship.
including the petitioner are granted scale of pay of ROP 1993. Correct.
Lordship.
So maybe in 1993, there was provision for ad hoc employees.
Lordship.
The 2017 bars ad hoc employees,
Lordship.
except the regular employees.
Yes, your lordship.
Let us have a look at the 1993.
Lordship.
Let's produce a copy, we'll see.
Next Tuesday, your lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. Tushitamjan, owner, learned counsel for the petitioner. MSS Mary, learned senior government advocate, shall produce a copy of the ROP of 1993 by the next date fixed. List on Tuesday is what date? 25th?
Lordship.
Can you do it?
Lordship.
A
Scan copy of the 19.
Whatever it is.
Lordship.
Much.
Finish.